10xing your business with Clickfunnels. So that's going to be our goals. It may seem a bit optimistic. I mean, 10 times is a big number. But again, if we shoot for 10 times and we double your profits, I think it's safe to say it worked, right? So let me just tell you how, or actually why funnels. And I mean, not just talking about Clickfunnels. I mean, there are a lot of softwares that pretty much do what Clickfunnels does, but guess what? Clickfunnels is the best value for money in terms of features. We've calculated all that, so it's the one we're going to be exploring. But I'm talking about funnels in general and really taking your marketing to the next level. If you have a store and you sell a product, if you're like a lot of marketers, you're just sending traffic to a sales page and that's it, right? And you just cross your finger, hope it works, and it actually usually doesn't, right? Unless you have the most amazing and innovative product in the world, probably not the case. So funnels are designed to convert and remove. I've already done a spelling mistake. Nicely done there. All noise for the customer. So basically, you might not, have the eye for that yet. But let me tell you, if you start using funnels and 5 months from now you come back to the page you've been using currently, you'll realize that there's a lot of faults in it. There's a lot of, with most landing pages, there's like a lot of options for people to leave the page. There's a lot of unnecessary information. The layout isn't good. So by using a software like ClickFunnels, they have a bunch of templates, and every single one of their templates is designed to convert, right? So you're already starting with an advantage, and that's that some serious marketers have already put a lot of work in the templates. Now, sales funnels allow you to collect email addresses and are a great way to generate back-end sales too. So good thing with ClickFunnels is not only do they have funnels, ready-made funnels, but they also have automation capabilities. That means that you can integrate sales funnel, email sales funnels with your funnels. So when someone opts in, for example, you can already directly automate a series of email, and they even have templates for that, right? So again, it's always going to be up to you to slightly change the templates or change them a lot, whatever you're feeling like doing, but they really have it all, right? So you've got the email based sales funnels, you've got the sales based sales funnels, and you can really try them all and see what works best. Sales funnels can be easily A/B tested against each other and optimized for long-term usage. So that's really the goal here, right? You want to find a funnel that converts really well. For example, you buy $1 in traffic and you get $2 back, right? And a funnel as such that you can use for a long time. And usually, you're going to want to A/B test those, right? So make slight changes to pages, see if they affect or impact the conversion rate and the profits at the end of the day. And ClickFunnels, of course, has a feature that does that. Again, it would have taken you hours to set up and to analyze the results. With ClickFunnels, it really is that easy. And number 4, ClickFunnels offers a wide range of data tracking tools, allowing you to really fine-tune your store. So really, I'm going to just assume that you've just never used funnels in general. It really is an eye-opener on what your store is about, and what changes are necessary to really get your store up and going.